Enjoy, find time for kindness, and use plastic responsibly.
Hello, crafty creators. Ever wanted to merge the magic of Halloween with the marvel of 3D printing? Today, we're crafting a whimsical pumpkin cap that pops right out of the candle every time you use its hook. Let's jump into our 3D printing tutorial. First, make sure you've got all the parts printed provided from either the AnkerMake app, where you just tap print, or the STL files can be found at makeitrealankermake.com. For parts, there's a detailed cat looking ready to spring into action, a hollow candle, that's our cat's surprise hideout, 3 snug buckles, 3 sticks, 2 short, 1 long, the trusty hook, the unique dumbbell-shaped gear, which is a stacked gear, a sturdy pile or post, and of course, lifting base. Alright, now that our 3D printed parts are ready, let's assemble. Begin with the pile, attaching it securely to the lifting base. For the candle, slide the dumbbell-shaped gear inside, ensuring both sides of the gear align with the candle's internal tracks. Grab the long screw next. Insert it into the middle hole at the candle's back. Then lock it in using a buckle for added security. Now, let's get the platform in place. Insert it through the candle's bottom, making sure the platform's groove mesh well with one side of the gear inside the candle. The other side of the gear should nest perfectly within the platform. Now for our main attraction, the hook. It goes into the track at the candle's back, pointing forward. Keep the hook in place by using the 2 short sticks, then fasten them using the remaining 2 buckles. And now the cat for last. It's showtime. Elevate the lifting base, attach the cat to the pile. Maybe use a little poster or wall putty to ensure the kitty stays put. Voila! Your 3D printed pumpkin cat hook is ready to spring into action. A piece of art that's both functional and full of surprise. Every time you reach for that hook, get ready for a playful pop. Keep creating, keep printing, and remember, every piece you print holds a piece of your imagination.